Hi, my name is Paige.
And my name is Jordan. Today we're doing an experiment to see how long it takes for the pH in certain drinks to dissolve tea. We have 3 drinks: soda, juice, and a sports drink. We will be using 3 teas, all from the same person.
The pH of the soda we are using is 3.22. The pH of the juice is 3.66, and the pH of the sports drink is 2.82. We started this experiment by placing each liquid in a beaker and placing a tube in the beaker and then starting the spinning and heating process. The spinning motion of the magnetic capsules will replicate the saliva movement in a person's mouth, and the hot plate will be set at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius to replicate a person's body temperature. The combination of the stirring and heat should accurately represent the elements in the mouth and depict a clear picture of what happens to our teeth when we consume these drinks.
Just to give you an idea of how to measure the pH or acidity in drinks, lime juice has a pH of 2.1 and spring water has a pH of 7.4. Typically, drinks with a pH of less than 4.0 can potentially be damaging to your teeth.
This experiment will take place over the next 4 days for 5 hours each day. We will be taking photos and videos of the teeth to show you the progress each day.
Here is a representation of how much sugar is in each of these beverages. The sports drink has 53 grams of sugar, or 13 teaspoons. The soda has 77 grams of sugar, or 19 teaspoons. And the juice has 49 grams of sugar, or 12 teaspoons.
The following photos will depict the changes of the teeth over our 4-day experiment. Day 1 shows the teeth prior to being submerged in the liquids. The teeth will be submerged in the liquids for 5 hours each day to replicate sipping on an acidic drink throughout the day.
The starting weight of the tooth submerged in the sports drink was 1.26 grams. The starting weight of the tooth submerged in the apple juice was 1.12 grams, and the starting weight of the tooth submerged in the carbonated soda was 1.26 grams.
Day 2. We are again submerging the teeth in each liquid and then starting the heating and stirring process.
At the end of day 2, you can see the color on the root surfaces has changed dramatically. The reason why the root surface absorbs so much color is because the root surface of teeth is much softer than the crown, which is protected by enamel.
At the end of day 2, the tooth submerged in the sports drink had a weight of 1.25 grams. The tooth submerged in the apple juice had a weight of 1.12 grams, and the tooth submerged in the carbonated soda had a weight of 1.26 grams. At the end of day 3, you can see the pits and grooves of the teeth have also become stained. This is a common area of decay and why sealants are recommended as the permanent teeth erupt.
At the end of day 3, the weight of the tooth submerged in the sports drink was 1.21 grams. The tooth submerged in the apple juice was 1.10 grams, and the tooth submerged in the carbonated soda was 1.24 grams. At the end of day 4, you can see a chalky white appearance on the crowns of the teeth. This is called decalcification, which is the first step towards decay as it weakens the tooth structure.
The final weight of the tooth submerged in the sports drink was 1.13 grams. The final weight of the tooth submerged in the apple juice was 1.07 grams, and the final weight of the tooth submerged in the carbonated soda was 1.22 grams.
As our source, we are citing an article published by the American Dental Association. They measured the pH of several different drinks. If you are interested in reading this article, you can find it in their April 2016 edition.
Sipping on drinks, such as the ones we use in our experiment, is a common culprit for decay, and why we encourage our patients to limit these drinks to a single sitting, such as with a meal, rather than sipping throughout the day.
Sipping on an acidic drink throughout the day lowers the pH of your saliva and creates an acidic environment which no longer protects your teeth. By limiting these drinks to a single sitting, you are allowing your pH to return to its slightly basic state.
If you are interested in testing the pH of your drinks at home, you can purchase a pH tester such as the one here that we used in our experiment purchased off of Amazon.
Thanks for watching our experiment!